Good evening, everyone. I am Mrs. Sangeeta Prasad, Principal of Springer Public School. On the behalf of staff and management of Springer Parivar, Springer family, I welcome Dr. Varesh Nagarath, a renowned physician of Eastern UP, to hold this session. He is also an eminent counselor and he is also a senior advisor of Springer Education Foundation. Sir is going to speak on the topic qualities of a good student. Now, sir, I welcome you and invite you to take up this session. And I hope that everybody enjoys this and get a wonderful lesson from it. Sir, here we have Varesh Nagarath, sir.
Yes, now it's okay. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'm audible and visible also.
Yes.
So, dear friends, yes, I will call you my friend because friendship is a very pure relationship. Purer than friendship is the relationship between a teacher and a student and parents and their children. So don't consider me something beyond your reach. I am just your friend and we will have a very friendly discussion today. First, I thank the management of Springer Public School, Sangeeta ma'am, Tushar sir, and Pankaj sir, the entire team, Arjun, Shipra. I thank them for giving me this opportunity to interact with you. They mentioned that my talk will transform you, but actually it is going to be just opposite. I will get transformed and I'm sure about it. And I will be taking inputs from you to transform myself. The truth is, no one can transform other. You have to transform yourself. कोई आके आपकी जिंदगी को बदलेगा नहीं, आपको खुद ही अपनी जिंदगी बदलनी होगी, पॉजिटिव की दिशा में, नेगेटिव की दिशा में नहीं. So I can only give you some clues or leads which are already there in your personality and your system, and you have to develop those qualities in yourself, and then you will become a shining star. So do you want to become a shining star? Do you want to become a shining star? You can mention in your chat box, please. Yes, are there students who want? Yes. Yes, thank you. I am getting yes, but you will have to reaffirm by writing that, yes, I will become a shining star one day. I want this sentence in the chat box. Not only yes. You write there, yes, I will become a shining star, a lustrous star one day. Yes. Utkarshita, you will become a shining star. Vaibhavi, great. Devisha, Anish, great. Saket, Khushi, excellent. Nupur, Diksh. So all of you are bound to become a shining star. हनुमान चालीसा में एक लाइन है, जामवंत के वचन सुहाए, सुनी हनुमंत हृदय अति भाए. All the powers were there in Bajrangbali, but he had forgotten it. So Jamvant was the person who reminded Hanuman of the qualities he possesses. Similarly, I will be reminding you of the qualities which are already there, but some of them are dormant. So you have to activate the dormant qualities. So first I will read some lines from Ved, which says, Sah navavatu, sah no bhunaktu, sah viryam karvavahe, tejasvi navadhitamastu, ma vidvishamahe. Have you heard this hymn? You can write in the chat box. Have you heard this? Sah navavatu, sah no bhunaktu, sah viryam karvavahe. These are the lines. Yes, yes, Maisha, yes, Pragati, Priya, Pragati. So these are the lines which a student is writing. These lines are spoken by a student. And what does he say? Seh navavatu. हम लोग एक दूसरे की रक्षा करें. एक दूसरे का क्या मतलब हुआ? एक दूसरे का मतलब हुआ student and teacher. It may also mean that two friends, but mainly it refers to relationship between student and teacher. Sah navavatu, sah no bhunaktu. हम लोग साथ साथ भोजन करें और जितने बाकी चीजें इंजॉय हम लोग करते हैं वो भी हम लोग साथ साथ ही करें. और सह वीर्यम करवाव है, और हम लोग बड़े बड़े काम, हम लोग इतने वीर्यवान बने कि बड़े बड़े काम, वर्क लाइक अ जायंट, हम लोग बड़े बड़े काम करें. और तेजस्वी नावधीतमस्तु, जो हम पढ़े वो तेजस्वी हो, उससे हमारा तेज बढ़े. और माँ विद्विषाम है, हम लोग आपस में कभी भी द्वेष न करें. So with this prayer, I am going to start my discussion. Right. Now I want to know that who Springer Public School class 11th, who was or who is the previous topper of class 11th? The previous topper of class 11th, what is his name? Yes, I want in the chat box the name of topper, the name of second, and the name of third. What were? Yes, I'm asking. Please tell me the name of the top 3 students of class 11th. नहीं, नाम याद नहीं है क्या? Harshit Jaiswal, second position. Good, good. To every right, second position. And first and third, who was the topper? Who was the topper? नहीं, याद नहीं. ये कैसे हो सकता है कि आपको टॉपर का नाम याद ना हो? Who was the topper? चलिए कोई बात नहीं, तो इस बात को हम अभी छोड़. दिव्यांशु त्रिपाठी. ओके, गुड. तो दिव्यांशु is the topper, right? So these are 2 students, Harshita and Divyanshu. Now I want some students who were not in top 3 to right now to challenge these 2 and take this challenge by committing that you will get more numbers than these 2 in the forthcoming test or exam. It is not necessarily exam. In the forthcoming test also, I need 2 students who take this challenge of mine to beat these 2 students. है इतनी हिम्मत किसी में? Because I have already told you the capability and quality is already there in you. आप अपने को underestimate मत करिए. तो कौन से 2 लोग हैं जो दिव्यांशु और हर्षिता को हराएंगे? हमें 2 लोगों के नाम चाहिए. हर्षित. रौनक एंड फजल. ग्रेट, ग्रेट. रौनक एंड फजल. ठीक. तो रौनक एंड फजल, हर्षित और दिव्यांशु को इस बार हराएंगे. बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज है ये, छोटा चैलेंज नहीं है, क्योंकि अब वो लोग जान लगा देंगे अपने को प्रोटेक्ट करने की, अपनी पोजीशन को रिटेन करने की. सो अ गुड स्टूडेंट टेक्स चैलेंजेस. आपको लाइफ में बड़े बड़े चैलेंज आएंगे एंड यू हैव टू टेक दोस चैलेंजेस स्पोर्टिंगली. राइट नाउ, why do we want to become a good student? Why do we want to become a good student? Tell me, what are the advantages? विद्वान सर्वत्र पूजयते. विद्वान की हर जगह पूजा होती है. और विद्या मित्रम प्रवासेषु. टू एक्सेल इन लाइफ. यस कृषिका, टू एक्सेल इन लाइफ. So you need to become knowledgeable. And if you are no, आप फॉरेन कंट्री चले गए, आपके पास एक पैसा नहीं है, पर आपके पास नॉलेज है, you will be able to sustain yourself with dignity. To achieve our goal, yes, knowledge is powerful, right, Siddhi? Correct. So knowledgeable we have to become. There is no other alternative to it. And there is no easy path to knowledge. It requires a lot of hard work and commitment to become a knowledgeable person. Now, I will enumerate the qualities. Student has got these letters S, T, U, D, E, N, T. Now, I will extract knowledge from you to increase my knowledge. So you please, all of you, please let me know that what are the good qualities a student should have starting with the letter S. Starting with the letter S, what are the good qualities a good student has? Sacrifice. क्या बात कह दी दीक्षा वशिष्ठ. Sacrifice. बिना सैक्रिफाइस के नहीं मिलेगा, नहीं मिल सकता. सुखार्थिनः कुतो विद्या, कुतो विद्यार्थिनः सुखम. सुखार्थी वा त्यजेत विद्याम, विद्यार्थी वा त्यजेत सुखम. सुख चाहते हो तो विद्या छोड़ दो, विद्या चाहते हो तो सुख छोड़ दो. तो सैक्रिफाइस इज मैंडेटरी. हम लोग पढ़ते थे तो 8 साढ़े 8 बजे वेडनेसडे को चित्रहार आता था, और चित्रहार का जब गाने बजते थे तो मन मचल जाता था. मन करता था कि कुर्सी को छोड़ें और सीधे जिस रूम में टीवी है वहां पहुंचे और टीवी को देखें. और हम उठते नहीं थे, क्योंकि हमें कुछ पाना था, और पाने के लिए कुछ खोना पड़ता. सुख चाहते हो तो अर्थिना सुखम, विद्यार्थी वा त्यजेत विद्याम, सुखार्थी वा त्यजेत विद्याम, विद्यार्थी वा त्यजेत सुखम. दूसरी क्वालिटी, तो हम लोगों ने एक क्वालिटी नोट. अर्जुन प्लीज नोट डाउन द क्वालिटीज व्हिच यू विल हैव टू इन्यूमरेट लेटर. One is sacrifice. Sacrifice. Yes. Now what is the second quality starting with S, which you should have? Sincerity. Someone wrote sincerity. Social. From Prakhar to everyone, the student should become social. And I do not agree to this. Social media, being social, attending parties, birthdays, picnics. Picnic is okay. But becoming too much social is not good for gaining knowledge. कुछ पाने के लिए कुछ खोना पड़ेगा. जब हम पढ़ते थे, अभी भी पढ़ते हैं, पर उस समय तो विघ्न बहुत कम थे. आज आपके पास व्हाट्सएप है, आज आपके पास फेसबुक है, कंप्यूटर है, ये सारी चीजें हैं जो आपको बहुत सोशल बना देती हैं. बट आई थिंक दैट बीइंग सोशल, टू मच सोशल, इज डेट्रीमेंटल. आप पढ़ के बड़े आदमी बन जाओ, आपको लोग अपने आप बुलाएंगे आपके पास. और आप अगर पढ़े नहीं और आपने कंपटीशन क्रैक नहीं किया तो संसार बहुत स्वार्थी है, लोग आपको पूछेंगे नहीं. Am I visible, Arjun? Arjun? Sangeeta ma'am? Yes. We should interact with those persons who can give us knowledge. Right? So, we should select our friends very carefully. Maisha says that students should be satisfied. Yes, the student should be satisfied when, after completing the study at night, student feels satisfied that yes, I have used every moment of today constructively. Then the feeling of satisfaction. Before completing your homework, before completing your entire study plan, you should not feel satisfied. The one is sacrifice, a struggler. Prakhar says you have to struggle. Yes, struggle is okay. Life is a struggle, but I don't want you all to be a struggler. I want you to just excel. आप ऐसे स्टार बनो कि स्ट्रगल की कोई जरूरत ही ना पड़े. इतने आगे आप हो कि दुनिया आपसे बहुत बहुत दूर पीछे छूट जाए. Right? Hardik, constructively, self-confidence. Yes, this is very important. Self-confidence should be there, that I can do it. And if you feel you can do it, you are right. And if you feel that you can't do it, then also you are right. So why not to think that, yes, I can do it? Self-confidence is needed. Self-discipline, Tushar says, great. Discipline is mandatory. Without discipline, we are not going to attain anything. And what does discipline means? It means that every aspect of your life should be disciplined. कब सोना है, कब उठना है, कब पढ़ना है, कब खेलना है, हर चीज का एक टाइम होना चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि एक दिन आपने बहुत खींच लिया और दूसरे दिन आप उतना आपने नहीं किया. तो अभी I got a message that I have got 4 minutes only, so but I will not finish the talk very fast because I want to take input from you also. So at the end of the session, after 4-5 minutes, I will stop my talk, and some other day we will discuss. But finishing, right? So sacrifice. What is the next quality which you should have? Starting with S. Serious. Yes. Yes. You should be serious about your study. You should be serious about your sports. Sports also starts with S. All study and no play will make you a dull boy, right? So play 30 minutes a day. आपको खेलना ही खेलना है, मैंडेटरी है. आप खेलेंगे नहीं तो काम नहीं बनेगा. और जब आप खेलते हैं तो क्या होता है, आप जीते या हारे आप दोनों में खुश होते हैं. And that is what life should be. Life में success will come, sometimes failure will also come, but you have to take both of them in your stride. Sensitize our thoughts. Sober, Anuj says, yes. So one is sport. Sports is important. Then other quality, smart. Yes. Yes. Be what you are. And once you become successful, smartness will come automatically. Then people will copy you. Don't try to look smart. Be smart, but don't try to look smart. Studious. Shasmit says studious. Yes, one should be studious. पढ़ना तो है ही, जम के पढ़ना है और जम के खेलना है. जो आधे घंटे खेलना है वो जम के खेलना है. राइट? फिर एक चीज चाहिए, सिंप्लिसिटी. यू शुड बी वेरी सिंपल. एंड कैन यू नेम अ फिल्म स्टार, अ यंग बॉय? Yes, strong-minded. Pankaj Roy says social. I don't think so. Social, you shouldn't be too much social. You don't have time for that. You have time for 30 minutes play. You have time for studies. You have time for doing your MCQs. But being too much social is not good. You develop social skill while playing. In outdoor sports, there are many friends with whom you are interacting. That much being social is okay. Now, simplicity is, I think, a very important quality which you should possess. Because, I was asking that can you name of a simple film star, a boy who was extremely simple and got, yes, Arjun, like Arjun, you should be focused on the eye of the fish. Yes, आपको अपना टारगेट रोज हर पल याद रखना है. Whatever you want to achieve, उसकी burning desire आपके अंदर होनी चाहिए. Burning desire. Simplicity का ये मतलब है कि शीशे के सामने खड़े होके ये देखना कि मैं कैसा लग रहा हूं. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
So this was a hiccup. Such hiccup do occur in life. Now I want to know that during these 5-7 minutes, when the Zoom meeting was not going through, what did you do? You bought 7 precious minutes. Did you use that time in a constructive way? Anyone of you who used this 7 minutes of disturbance? Right? Yes. What did you do, Diksha? What did you do in these 7 minutes? Diksha Vashisht, how did you use it? Tell me. I'm very happy to note that you are understanding the value of time. You made your strategy. Great. Strategy to become great, which you already are. You are already great. Only you have to remind yourself. You want to become, you are a doctor, you are studying MBBS and you are bound to become a very successful doctor. Right? So I will speak for only 5 minutes more. Then we will discuss some other day. Today we will complete S. Right? Now, with S, there is a quality that you need to grow slowly and steadily. It's not possible that you read the entire course in a week and you think you will become knowledgeable. It's not possible. You have to grow slowly, steadily. Yes, Maisha, skills are necessary. So, बचपन में कहानी पढ़ी थी खरगोश और कछुए की रेस में. तो आपको कछुआ बनना है. जल बिंदु निपातेन क्रमशः पूर्यते घटः स हेतु सर्व विद्यानां धर्मस्य च धनस्य च. जल बिंदु निपातेन क्रमशः पूर्यते घटः. जो घट है, घट समझते हैं ना, जिसमें पानी रखते हैं, घड़ा. तो जल बिंदु निपातेन, जल की अगर बूंद बूंद गिरती है तो क्रमशः पूर्यते घटः. जो घट है, जो घड़ा है, वो क्रमशः बढ़ता है. स हेतु सर्व विद्यानाम, विद्या के लिए, सभी विद्याओं के लिए यही बात अप्लाई होती है, that you gain in knowledge step by step, drop by drop. So don't try to become an overnight sensation. Don't try to become an overnight sensation. Grow slowly but steadily, right? Then your knowledge should be solid, should be rock solid. It is said, I love Sanskrit very much. That's why you are hearing these subhashit from my side. Sanskrit is a great language. So the knowledge should be solid. It is said that adridham chahatam jnanam. The knowledge which is not solid is dead. Adridham chahatam jnanam. The knowledge which is not rock solid is dead. So how do you gain solid knowledge? उसको हम लोग जब पढ़ते थे तो उसको कहते थे घोट के पढ़ना है, घोट के. And what does that mean? That means that each and every word. Arjun, please unmute the participants. Arjun, please.
Yes, yes, I'll.
Please unmute the participants.
Okay.
बाहर के भी बच्चे हैं, अपने स्कूल के नहीं, बाहर के भी हैं. हाँ,
Right.
हाँ, हाँ.
So, yeah, right. So your knowledge should be rock solid. घोट के पढ़ने का मतलब है each and every line in your book should be absolutely clear to you. And if you are not able to understand a particular paragraph, be sure that question will come in from that paragraph only, because the examiner knows what are the things which student leave. So you should not leave a single line unstudied or ununderstood. You have to understand each and every line, and you should know the art of extracting the knowledge from your teacher and from your book. Right? Now sleep management. Right? Sleep management is also important. And how much sleep a good student should have? I need the answer in the chat box. How many hours of sleep are necessary? Yes. 8 hours. Prakhar. Vishakha, 6 hours. Aryan, Diksha, 6 hours, 6 hours, 6 hours. 6 to 8 hours. Rupenika. Well, I agree to Rupenika. It is 6 to 8 hours. See, the body of every student, the sleep requirement of every student is different. मैं 8 घंटे सोए बिना अगले दिन बहुत बढ़िया नहीं रहता था, तो मैं 8 घंटे की स्लीप लेता था. स्लीप में कंजूसी मत करना. Be disciplined, but you need to find out how much sleep is restorative. कितना स्लीप लेने के बाद अगले दिन आप जब उठते हैं तो सवेरे से रात तक आपको नींद नहीं आती, and you are alert, fully alert. So this you will have to find out yourself. So sleep management is extremely important. There shouldn't be excessive sleep, and there should also not be sleep deprivation. And then sharing. The other quality which you should have is sharing. Sharing your successes and failures also. With whom? With your close friends and your parents. And if you are not understanding something, share this thing with your teacher. So sharing is important. Sharing will give you a good mental health. Mental health also is necessary. The pressure of exam, the pressure of tests, these are not good pressures. They can create havoc in some students who are very sensitive. So take exams lightly, but take studies seriously. And whenever you have a problem, share with your friends. So these are the qualities starting with S, which I want all of you, which you are already having, to blossom. I want these qualities to grow and blossom in your personality. So now I am completing my talk, and I thank all of you for a very, very precious presence. Arjun,
Hello.
Sangeeta ma'am, is it okay?
Hello.
Yes,
Sir.
Sangeeta, tell me, now you are audible. Right.
Audible, sir? So
Right.
thank you so much, sir. It was very enriching, and I think the students must have really enjoyed and learned a lot of things from you. And let's see how do they do it in their life. I mean, how do they cope up whatever things you have told them? How they are going to put them in their life, and how serious and sincere they would be. Let us. It's a nice session, sir. And I hope you that in future I would like to have much more of such sessions, so that the children they can learn something from you.
Acha, the two students who
Hello?
took the challenge, yes. The two
Uh-huh.
students who took the challenge, if they are able to outperform the topper and the second, they will get very good prize from my side.
Ronak and Fazal. Ronak and Fazal.
Puzzle. Ronak and Fazal, you will be getting a prize from my side, a gift from my side, if you can outperform the first and second. Right? So now I am logging
Sangeeta
out.
ma'am, can I speak a little bit?
Yes, sir. Continue,
First
sir.
of all, thank you so much, sir, for giving us time from your busy schedule. It was really a nice experience for all of us. And I'm very surprised to see that you are such a scholar in Sanskrit. You are too good in this, and it was your speech. But only thing that I feel is that it was too short of a webinar, and I hope that Arjun arranges such webinars again, and it must be of at least 2 hours or 3 hours, so that we can get a lot of things from you, your experience. And I'm really feeling that it was a very short experience for all of us, but even then it was a very fruitful experience. Thank you so much from the whole Springer family. Thank you for giving us time, sir.
Thank you so